How you can fix mirrored or inverted video call in WhatsApp. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your settings. Now after you're on your settings, just scroll down till you find General. Now under General, go to iPhone storage. Now let it load, and after it loads, scroll down and find WhatsApp. After you find WhatsApp, open it up. Now here, offloading this app once will fix problems like mirrored or inverted video call. So just tap on offload app, and after you tap on offload app, you'll get the option to reinstall it. So tap on reinstall, and after reinstalling, your WhatsApp will get installed again and your problem will get fixed. But just to make sure, just go to your app store and search for WhatsApp. And after you find WhatsApp, make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. Now updating it will fix the problem too. So yeah, that is basically it guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.